Why do rich people like to customize furniture by hand? Each piece is unique due to natural wood grain and artisan touch, offering the scarcity the wealthy seek to stand out. It's functional art, a collectible that appreciates in value and elevates a space's aesthetics. It offers bespoke solutions, perfectly tailored to the dimensions and needs of a luxury home. Client involvement in the design process makes it a declaration of personal taste and identity. The story and philosophy behind its creation foster a meaningful warm connection and fulfillment. It represents patronage of traditional craftsmanship, aligning with values of social responsibility and cultural preservation.